Today, we will discuss Meili Search and TypeSense. Both projects are open source. This encourages community participation, openness, and user customization and platform expansion. The goal of both systems is to make it simple as possible for developers to incorporate a robust search experience. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Meili Search is renowned for its speed and security, written in Rust. Meili Search prioritizes developer friendliness and ease of usage. It is made to offer an excellent search experience right out of the box. Meili Search gives priority to key search functions, including sorting, filtering, and typo tolerance. Its feature set is growing quickly. TypeSense emphasizes fine-grained control and raw performance. It provides more sophisticated tweaking choices and setups. Vector search, GeoSearch, and more intricate filtering choices are just a few of the more sophisticated tools that TypeSense provides. The clustering system of TypeSense is more developed and reliable. TypeSense's vector search capabilities are highly powerful. All in all, TypeSense and Meilisearch are both designed for speed. Delivering search results with the least amount of latency is their top priority, guaranteeing a responsive user experience. The goal of both platforms is to deliver extremely relevant search results. They use methods and algorithms to match the most relevant facts with user requests.